Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making spicy plantain puff puff, so keep watching. Let's do this. First, I'm going to measure in 5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'll mix well to combine and set aside. Here are my overly ripe plantain. I'm using 3. I will peel and mash it with fork. You can also blend it. For me, I want chunks of it in my puff puff. Once that is done, I will combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. I will add water gradually until I achieve the right consistency. Once that is done, I will cover with cling film and allow it to rest for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. 1 hour later, I check on the batter and it has doubled in size. Next, I will add my blended onions and peppers. I will mix properly until everything is well combined. To fry the puff puff in a preheated oil, I will use my ice cream scoop to scoop in the batter and allow it to fry. Don't overcrowd it so that it will have space to rise and to fry very well. And don't forget to fry on a medium heat.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
Once the color is like this, I will scoop it out from the oil, and that is it for today's video. This recipe right here is super delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.